fit to travel, and today is going to be our first day building our van. Our first step is going to be installing the fans. So we're about to make some cuts into the ceiling.
Yes, so this is a little nerve-wracking. We've been putting it off a little bit. We got the fans over a week ago, but you know, putting holes into a $30,000+ vehicle that we just bought is kind of scary, but we're gonna do it. We've been watching all these videos. We got all the tools. Beautiful day out, so we're gonna try it. We have 2 of them. We're gonna try to install the front one today, see how that goes, and then install the next one. So we're gonna instruct you guys and show you what we're doing along the way, so check it out.
Wish us luck. Okay, it's time to open our Max fan.
Is it heavy?
No. There it is.
In all its glory. Whoa, fancy. Better be for 300
Bottom.
bucks. Tara, what are you doing?
Just cleaning the top of the roof. Did some soap and water first, and now some acetone so we can make our cut. All done.
So what Tara is doing now is she's measuring it out. We're gonna measure a few times, cut one time hopefully. Tara's more detail oriented than I am, so I'm basically just here for the grunt work.
Support.
So it's all up to her if the measurements are off.
So 14, this is the middle of the van. 14 would put us right like on this edge and this edge. Should we shift a little? Or is that going to be better for us? If we use this edge, then we can just go a little bit over. I mean, is it easier to do it in the middle of these?
In the middle of them?
Like, as opposed to using this? Is it gonna be easier if we are shifted, like, so we're exactly in the middle of both of these? Does that make sense? As opposed to on the ridges?
If we're in the middle of them, they're gonna be divoted up still.
Decide like which crevice, you know, like line up with this, and then we want it more this way, like towards the back, maybe, or
yeah.
So like that, and then we can do a little hole, like draw a line around it and do holes in the little corner, and that's where we would do it. And then we'll tape the top. Okay, will you? Yeah. my gosh.
Just a bee.
It scared the crap out of me. Yeah. I'm just thinking like this, like if you look at the line, I know it doesn't matter, like it can be crooked, but I'm just thinking for the cutting part, this line is gonna come in a little bit and then go into that part. And same thing here, like goes.
Yeah, I mean, if that's the kit, we'll just bend it. Like, we can bend the top. Like, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna be able to get it perfect with the way it's set up. But
I just meant like this needs to go right along this, I guess. But that's fine, I guess.
can we do it?
You guys had a big grin on my face, huh?
So, do you do the hole now?
Yep.
Hole in each corner?
Yep. All right. About to make my first cut hole into the van right now. I'm gonna make 4 of them. $30,000.
Here we go.
Oh shit! Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh!
Arrgh! There it is.
Ending on there.
What do you think? Show them.
You can see daylight.
Our first
No!
official hole in the van.
Oh, poops. That was tough. That was scary, tough. It's hard to do it from below. So when I get up top, I guess it'll be easier. I can apply pressure.
More tight. I just started.
Yeah. I was like, am I making any progress?
Yeah.
That's why I had to jump it up to 2. Had it on 1. Just jump it up to 2. Okay. Should I take a break? After that?
Might as well keep going. They already got one.
Get another beer.
Yeah, right?
One hole, one beer.
Okay, so like that.
Nice.
$34,000. I just poked 2 holes into it. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. Oh fuck! I can put that out. Oh, that hurt my shoulder.
Construction does.
4 holes done.
Doing 9 out.
There it is. Woo! Perfect.
There you go.
Nice. Kind of scary at first, huh?
Sweaty. Oh yeah, we need to vacuum all this stuff up too.
Yeah, don't worry. We got the shot back.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yep. Jared's first time using a drill. That was perfect. Do it the exact same way. Yeah. There you go.
Sweating.
Yeah, that was weird. with authority. Uh-oh, be afraid of Tara. Alright, so it's hot as hell up here, and I just made that cut. Not a clean cut, but I made it. Probably won't fit. We'll probably have to cut a little more. Let's see. Oh yeah. A little bit off. That doesn't work, I'm done. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo, woo, woo! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, I just made that my bitch! Holy shit! Covered in crap. Yes! Yes! Good golly, Miss Molly! We did it! Oh, that's perfect. Alright, so after about 90 minutes of wrestling with the jigsaw and just cutting too short and being way too cautious, check it out! It fits! Yeah, Floyd! Yeah. Thanks for watching us. Hey, look at that! $30,000.
Oh. So now that we have our hole, I shaved down the edges to make them nice and smooth, and then I cleaned it with alcohol, and now I'm doing a little paint so that it doesn't rust.
Do multiple coats?
Yes. I'm putting the tape on.
What tape? What kind of tape is it?
Beetle tape. Seal it.
Tara, getting ready to install the fan. Woo woo.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to.
You want me up there? Good?
Got 2 in.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All finished. Now we just gotta hook it up.
It's all complete.
Alright, so we started around noon. It's 8 o'clock now after some frustration and letting paint dry and everything.
Couple breaks.
Couple of breaks here and there. Check it out. Fan is fully installed. We just need to do all the wiring now so it works, but you can do it manually, it just doesn't turn on. But we are very, very proud of ourselves. The next one should go by a whole lot quicker.
One down, one to go.
Whoop whoop.